Start. Para. I extend my greetings to everyone present here on the happy occasion of Independence Day. The freedom struggle was fought for so many years, so many generations laid down their lives. Innumerable people sacrificed their lives, and youth spent their entire lives behind bars. Today, we pay homage to all those martyrs who laid down their lives in India's struggle for freedom. India was founded as a democratic welfare state which would allow equal opportunity to one and all, irrespective of caste, creed, color, sex, or any other form of discrimination. A state where everyone would have equal opportunity for personal growth and for contributing to the cause of nation. The members of the Constituent Assembly were great visionaries. They created a document which reflected an acute awareness on their part that it was incumbent to entrench the concept of rule of law into the Indian polity. In a democratic country like ours, judiciary plays a vital role in the existence of free society. As the custodian of the fundamental rights and freedoms of our citizens, our judiciary has been performing its role excellently. I have no hesitation in stating that the judiciary has played an important role in upholding the rule of law and maintaining the fine balance of powers between the three organs of the state. It goes to the credit of our judiciary that basic features of the Constitution have been defined and being protected fervently by the judiciary. This has really brought stability in the functioning of democracy. Para. The challenges before a free society, divisive tendencies, groups, people disturbing the peace of our society on account of political, social, and economic ideologies rather than following legal means. People who disturb the peace of the society through technological means all need to be understood in proper perspective, and ends of justice has to be ensured not only to prevent such disturbances but also to ensure that punishments for each offense awarded act as deterrent for others. This requires fair but fast trial so that before the public memory dies down, the case is disposed of and ends of justice is meted out. Delayed disposal and imposing punishment after a protracted period not only loses the relevance of deterrence but also leads to public sympathy and public support for the convict. Hope our lawyer friends do appreciate the point I am making and request them to cooperate with judiciary so that the disposals of cases are speeded up and justice is meted out as soon as possible in order to do our bid to ensure the gift of free society we got out of freedom struggle. Para. Let us all together take a pledge today that we will make our countrymen aware of their legal rights and enable them to enjoy the rights guaranteed in our Constitution. Let us work for identifying the archaic provisions of our living laws so that confusions and contradictions are avoided and enable the citizens to follow the law rather than default, knowingly or unknowingly. Let us work together for simplifying and codifying the laws so that we reduce the number of laws on any one subject and make them simple for our countrymen to understand and follow. My dear brothers and sisters, this is my opinion, will be possible only if we all, government, judiciary and lawyers, work together. This I would call extended struggle for freedom and hope to carry it with all your support, cooperation and participation. Jai Hind. Stop.